Hello my dear kids. Today's topic is concept of 3D. So for that I have drawn 4 squares and 4 squares for 3 times. That means 12 squares total I have drawn. Because first we will see 2D shapes here, and then here will be conversion of 2D to 3D, and the last row will be of 3D objects. You have to leave 1 centimeter of space so that you can write the names of the shapes. I have written it already. We are going to see square shape, rectangle, triangle and semicircle shapes. So first we will draw these in 2D. You have to use scale everywhere because these are geometrical shapes. So 4 by 4 square I am drawing. Here I am going to draw a rectangle. Next is triangle. All the sides of the triangle are equal. And the last one is semicircle. So these are the 2D shapes we have drawn. Now we will see how to convert it into 3D. For that we'll be drawing one more step before going to 3D directly. I'm drawing a square again. A square in 3D is called as cube. So I have it is not a perfect square, but this is, you can see, so this is the portion we want to draw. This is the back side of the 2D plane square. So we want to draw this. So behind this one more square will be there, but we cannot see it, but it is there. So we will draw this. So 3D we have to show it in 2D. So we will try that. Okay. So one more square I am drawing behind the square which we have drawn. Similarly, we will do it for rectangle. Triangle. semicircle. I'll show you a pyramid, or it is called as prism for triangle. See, this is a pyramid shape, this is a triangle, and we will be trying to draw these shapes also. So this is called as pyramid. Okay, this is a rectangle shape, so we will be drawing this. So we have drawn two rectangles. Now what we are going to do is we'll be converting these into 3D. So first I will draw all these things here exactly, we'll copy it and then we'll show you the next step. So for cube, the back side is not visible, so I am drawing it with dotted lines. It is there, but it is not visible to us. Now we will join this. Similarly, for rectangle, we can see these lines, but the sides which are at back side we cannot see it, so I am drawing it with dotted lines. Semicircle is called as semisphere. You have to just join these with a fork. So we have converted 2D shapes step by step to 3D. Now we are going to color it. We will be coloring only the 3D shapes. So make sure all the points are joined here. Now I will be coloring it. I'm done with coloring. Now I will be bordering it with black sketch pen. So you can see I have given the dotted lines for the portion we cannot see, but it is there. Thank you.